Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do 7 times 15 using this new tool, which is basically allows you to either trace or cut Play-Doh of different dimensions. So we're going to start off, we're going to do 7 times 15. All right. Now, a lot of times people use base 10 blocks. I'm going to use array rods, which, as you can see, has an array on one side. If I did a bunch of 10s, it would create a 10 by 1 or 10 by 2 or so on and so forth arrays. So I'll do a 10 and a 5, and here I'll do a 7. And usually what we would do is we would fill this up with 7 10s and 7 5s and do the arithmetic that way. With this, it gives us a little bit of a shortcut. So this is 10 wide, right? So I'm going to flatten this out. You can also use a rolling pin for Play-Doh, but for now this is just fine. All right, so I'm going to move this so that it goes up to 7. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this. I guess I gotta make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm gonna cut that. All right, that's good. So I have my 7 by 10. I'll put that right there. And I'm just going to put this 7 times 10 is 70. I'm going to draw with my Play-Doh knife, that's 70. Okay, then I need to do 7 times 5. So I'm going to get another canister of Play-Doh. Each one of these is worth about 100. You can flatten it out that way. These are the less expensive Play-Doh. All right, so I need 7. I'll use the same setting here. Straighten up a little bit. Okay, well that's great, but that's 7 times 10, and I need 7 times 5, so what do I do here? What a conundrum. Okay, well, it's not so bad. I rotate it, and I just move this to 5. See? And then I line it up right here. There we go. And this is my 7 times 5 right here. Oh, and look at that. It works perfect. So 7 times 5, that's 35. And I can write this as 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 5 is 35. And then that equals 105. You can also, if you don't have Play-Doh, you can also just trace this and do the same sort of thing, because it's going to work out perfectly fine. But it works great with Play-Doh. So there you go.